Well, let's get another check on shares of VF Corp. That stock is soaring up more than 14% after beating on the top and bottom lines. Let's bring in BTIG Managing Director Janine Stichter. Janine, this is a turnaround story that might be seeing some traction. What do you think?
Yeah, I think we are still wait and see on this one. It's very much, as you say, still a turnaround. But the important thing here, and I think what the market's reacting to, is that we are seeing some signs of traction, and specifically with the Vans division, where historically that was the biggest piece of the business. It's shrunk over the years. We're seeing that gap moderate, where they were down over 20% last quarter. This quarter, they're down 11%. So you're inching back towards what could realistically be an inflection to positive territory, and that's what the market's really been waiting for the last several years on this one.
So how's Bracken Darrell doing? Here's a guy who started off in consumer products more traditionally, went to Logitech in tech, and now is back trying to tackle this turnaround story. How much trust does a quarter like this build with Wall Street? How long does he have to start really continuing to show those results you're looking for?
Yeah, he's been in that seat for a little over a year, and I think he really has done a nice job at gaining investor trust. He's done everything he said he's going to do. And the beginning of that was really just attacking the cost side and figuring out what needs to be done. The second thing he's done is put really great people around him. So we've had an entire upheaval of the management suite here. We have a new CFO in place. We have new brand leadership at Vans and at North Face that will start to impact the business later this year. And I think he still has plenty of time because the lead times in this business are long. We know it takes a while to fix footwear and apparel businesses, but he's done everything he said he's going to do, and we'll start to see the commercial impacts of that more as we get into holiday and into early next year.
How much is this a Vans turnaround story versus some of the other brands within VF Corp, like, for example, North Face, which has also had its own challenges?
I think Vans is really the linchpin. That's been the piece that has been the hardest to fix. And if you look where investors are saying this might not be fixable, that's where the most doubt is. I think with North Face, it's been choppy, and some of that might be a little bit of brand and product. Some of it has been the weather, which hasn't been particularly helpful. But that's been the side of the business where it's held in relatively well. And I think as long as they can continue to see relatively steady trends, there's just been that kind of piece of worry in the back of investors' mind that what if this is the next shoe to drop and we have two brands that are really not working. But so far, North Face has been hanging in just fine. I think that there's things they can do to execute better there, but it's really about turning Vans to turn this business.
I mean, the stock's shooting higher right now. It's up 15%. Obviously, the expectations were kind of low. The bar was set low going into this report. You've got a neutral rating. Does anything here that you've seen so far, and I realize we still got to get to the earnings call, but does anything change your mind? I mean, does this potentially become a buy here?
Can't comment on our price target or ratings or potential changes, but I would say this is still in our mind what we've said is a show me story. And we're seeing signs that this is moving in the right direction, but you still have a Vans business that is down 11% on easy comparisons. So there's still a lot of work to be done, even with this improvement that we're seeing in the quarter.